Ya ka electoral roll ka Khatduh Jong ki Tylli ki constituency ka kentup ya ka Natiang Juai Raliang Batmo ka ya constituency la Aiti Shakinong Yalam Jong ki Sengsan Perthai Beper da Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills District Uba B Solia Henin Kesni. Uba Solia la pentep bak electoral ka Khatduh Jong ki Tylli ki constituency lada penmi katkum ka shithi ka bamen ha ka shitarik ukelalingkot arajar arpusau hapo ka registration of electors roll ka khandai spa anrepong bat kane ka ju onla banjurep ha ka office trekam Jong Deputy Commissioner election branch bat ki polling station ki balayo jing ithu
request to keep the island phone numbers when you give away the inform dia kunju
As far as Jaintia is concerned, we are one of the first two districts in the state to dispose of all the forms 6, 7 and 8, and we stand at pendency stands at 0% now regarding the other 3 forms. But yes, I still want to push further the fact that we still need to cooperate when it comes to awareness, sweep activities from our side, from your side also as political entities, for new voters especially, as fight and then be getting the turn, the chance to vote, and also for them to come out to come to district office or to the other designated locations for them to learn how to operate the machines.